Summer na pero wala pa rin akong gala. Summer na pero ang call niya pa rin sa akin.
May jowa ka ba?
Wala. Summer na pero mataba pa rin ako. Summer na pero di ba ako tumatanong sa saya. Hey ladies, this is Reinna and I hope you guys like that thing that I did there in the intro. So that's me on a daily basis. My friends know that. In this video, we're going to do a we're going to do that thing. No, wait, look, that's, yeah. So tonight we're going to do a summer makeup look that I'm not going to use because I'm not going anywhere this summer because I don't have money, I don't have friends to go out with. That's the reason that I'm just here at home. I didn't ma-feel natin na pang summer tong video na to, I'll just go ahead and change my clothes because I just got home from work. Now that I've changed, alam ko medyo familiar para sa ibang tao dito yung damit ko na to. It's because this is that same t-shirt that I wore on my summer makeup look tutorial last year. So if you haven't watched that yet, I'll have the link down below or the link at the end of the video. Medyo konti lang yung gagamitin nating products. Actually, ito na nga ata yung pinaka-konting number of products na gagamitin ko. Since it's summer, the less makeup, the better. So, hindi ko naman sinasabi na huwag kayo mag-makeup ng kontodo or if bet nyo yung ganun, then go ahead. But putting a little amount of makeup this summer will let your skin breathe a little more. It will give you that natural glow that you already have kahit wala ka pa makeup. So this is what my table looks like right now. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, medyo konti lang. Those products are the only things that we're going to use. Although medyo nakikita nyo ang dami ng makeup brushes. And also, may mga products din dyan sa makeup brushes na lalagyan. And I have my Chucky to give my energy. So with that said, let's go ahead and do this. This time, I did a little research to see what I should do or ano ba mas makakaputi sa balat ko. Last time when I was in a meeting, we were talking about something that should you really do or use moisturizer during summer. So, I told them that I don't use moisturizer during summer kasi it makes my skin oily and it makes my skin very shiny. Then they said na I should use moisturizer nga kasi nga daw dry yung season, ganon. According to my research, you should apply moisturizer at night and a little bit in the morning just to have a little skincare. So, SPFs, especially since ayaw mo naman ma-sunburn, it protects your face from the sun. So, those are the types of moisturizer daw that you should use. So, for me, I'm still using my St. Ives. So, that's what we're going to use today. Applying moisturizer, you should use primer. Since primer nga daw, it makes your makeup last longer or forever. Joke. Pagka nag-primer ka, mas tatagal yung makeup sa face mo. So, today, I'm going to use kadalasan naglalagay na kagad tayo ng foundation, but since summer nga, the less makeup, the better. So, what we're going to use today is a concealer, or if you have a tinted moisturizer, you could use that as well. to bronze our face. Another tip that I have read on the research was to make the bronze look real and natural. So that's what we're going to do today. You should opt for powder bronzer and don't use creams. I like using creams first and then powder it after, since I want to give my face a little warmth. Done with bronzing, we're going to skip blush and go on ahead with our eyebrow. For this makeup look, I'm going to use a brow gel which is waterproof, so I know we're achieving natural makeup look, but medyo may pagka-double purpose. We are achieving a natural makeup look at the same time, kailangan din natin maging waterproof yung makeup. So, this brow gel from UIS is, sa pagkakatanda ko, it's waterproof. So another thing that you wanted to protect from the waters is your eye makeup, especially your eyelashes. If you want to have a panda eye, then go on ahead. Use non-waterproof or non-water resistant products. Pero kung ayaw mo naman mangyari sa iyo yun, a lot of makeup artists and also makeup enthusiasts know that you should also use waterproof mascara. Now that we're done with the mascara, the next thing that we're going to do is the blush. Dapat gel or blush stain yung gamitin mo as your blush. Since pag powder, hahanginin lang din daw yun agad, mawawala din daw siya. Dahil wala akong gel, blush, or blush stain, ang gagamitin ko as an alternative is my lipstick. To do the lips. So, ang kailangan natin is mga sheer lipstick, lip stains, or lip liners, a tiny bit of lip liner, or you could also go with no lipstick at all. So, for the don'ts, ang mga di nyo dapat gawin this summer is use matte lipstick, have thick formulas, yung gloss na thick formula. You should also opt for non-drying formulas or yung mga velvety types. If you can stay away from matte, siguro pwede na yung mga velvety type ng lipstick such as this one. Or if ayaw nyo naman ng ganon, you could use the traditional lipstick that we have. Summer is also the best time to pop some colors. So you could add some pop of color on your eyes or on your lips. So that's your choice. End of this video. So this is the final na to, final revised, final na talaga, final that MP4 na to. Give this a big thumbs up if you like the final product. So give this a big thumbs up if you like this finished look. And also comment down below what you want me to do next, what challenge, what makeup look, what things you want me to do. And I'll try my best to do it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell to get notified that I upload videos every week or kung kailan ko maisipan. So that's it for this video. I can't wait to take these things off and go to sleep. So see you in my next video. Bye!